Hi everyone! Happy New Year! For the first video of the year, I thought it would be fun to do two hairstyles, and I'm going to show you how to do a hairstyle with this beautiful African butterfly comb, and also how to use this wire comb, which is similar, but it looks a little different and it feels a little different as well. If you don't know what a butterfly comb is, it looks like this. Usually you have embellishments with beads here. This part is elastic, and then you have these two combs that are slightly bent to fit nicely against your scalp. Before we go on to the hairstyles, I'm just going to quickly show you in close-up how to use this. So you want to grab one comb, slide it into your hair nicely against your scalp, and then just pull this over your hair, click it, and then slide it underneath and make it interlock with your hair and with the other comb. And as you can see, it's very, very sturdy, and that's basically the technique. And then you use the exact same technique for the wire combs. They're pretty much the same thing. You have embellishments in the front, elastic, and then you have the two combs, but the difference is they're made out of wire, as you can see. So these are even sturdier. These are already incredibly sturdy, but these ones, yeah, they're amazing. Since the wire comb is so sturdy, it's super suitable for very long hair, thick hair. So it also comes in different sizes and different styles and colors. And then the African butterfly also comes in different styles, sizes, colors. And this one that I'm showing you is actually the thick one, the wide one. You see, it has thick and wide teeth, whereas the regular one looks like this. See the difference? So here the teeth are a little closer together and they're thinner. They still work with really long hair as well and with thick hair, but these are actually more suitable for thick hair and long hair. And I do feel like these are more comfortable than these ones because these tend to pull my hair more, and here I have a little bit more room for all of that hair to go in there. So yeah, I really like them. Begin by making a low ponytail and divide it into two strands. It's easiest to bring those strands over your shoulder. Twist the first strand counterclockwise, bring the other strand over it clockwise, and twist that strand counterclockwise. Do the same thing. Twist the first strand counterclockwise, bring the other strand over it clockwise, and twist that strand counterclockwise. Keep repeating these steps. You want to make sure you're twisting both strands in the same direction, but you're bringing them over each other in the opposite direction. That's called a rope braid. Carry on until you run out of hair and tie it off with a hair elastic. Now fold the rope braid up, then downward next to it. Go around the base, fold it back up, and do the same thing until you run out of hair. Push the ends and the hair elastic underneath. Now slide the right comb underneath the right side of your updo, stick your fingers through the elastic part, pull it over your hair, and then turn the comb around and slide it underneath the left side of your updo and interlocks with your hair and the right comb. This is a beautiful updo, and the butterfly comb holds it up and embellishes it. Again, begin with a low ponytail. You'll also need 2 hair clips. Divide your ponytail into 3 strands. Clip 2 of the strands up and braid the 3rd strand. Just do a regular braid. Right strand over middle strand and then left strand over middle strand. Repeat until you run out of hair, then tie off with a hair elastic. Unclip the 2nd strand of hair and braid it as well. Finally, do the same thing to the 3rd strand. You now have 3 braids. Braid the 3 braids. Every braid is now a strand. So bring the right braid over the middle braid and then the left braid over the middle braid, and so on. Repeat until you run out of hair. Then remove the hair elastics of the small braids and tie off the big braid with a hair elastic. Bring the braid upward, then downward next to it. Go round the base, fold it back up, and do the same thing until you run out of hair. Push the ends in the hair elastic underneath. Now slide the right comb underneath the right side of your updo, stick your fingers through the elastic part, pull it over your hair, and then turn the comb around and slide it underneath the left side of your updo and interlocked with your hair and the right comb. This updo looks amazing and is held up by the beautiful wire comb, which doubles as a decorative hair accessory. I really want to thank Rachel from AfricanButterfly.com for sending me these gorgeous combs. I love them so much. Thank you. I didn't know these specific ones for long and thick hair even existed. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. She didn't ask me to review these or anything. She just wanted me to try them out for myself. So she just sent these as gifts, but if I love something, I'm going to share it with you guys, and I thought you would enjoy seeing this and you would also enjoy seeing the hairstyles. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and the hairstyles. If you did, don't forget to click the like button, and I will put all the information on the combs and the website in the description box below. Also, if you're interested in seeing more hairstyles you can use with these types of combs, I made a video a couple of years ago and I will put that at the end of this video so you can watch that as well if you like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would love that. And if you click the notification bell, you will be notified of all of my new videos, and I make a new video every week. So yes, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!